Hey everyone, welcome to our next video. This is our cold start video on the 2001 S54 swapped Slicktop Touring. The car hasn't been started since 2 days ago, I think, maybe 3 days ago. See, the gauges are all cold. Obviously the parking brake is on. Plug the seatbelt in. Take the parking brake off. There are no warning lights. Everything is functional. Engine runs nice and smooth. I'm going to put the parking brake back on. I'm going to walk around to the front and show you the engine while it's running. All factory emissions equipment is in place and functional. Almost all the sensors, pulleys, belts on the engine have been changed. The VANOS has been done. The shims have been done. Most of the cooling hoses are brand new. The AC is freshly recharged. New evaporator, new dryer, new suspension. Just a nice, smooth running S54. Pulls hard on the street. And that is our cold start video.